Continuing coverage today, it has been a long wait for neighbors in Pleasant Hill who say they have to wait for weeks just to have internet access restored to their area after the ice storm brought down utility lines. KEZI 9 News reporter Noah Chavez went to the small community to hear from residents about their struggle living without internet access.
Pleasant Hill residents are feeling less angered and more pleasant after their lengthy internet outage came to an end after more than 2 weeks.
With the generator, at least I could charge my phone and charge my tablet and my old Nook, but without the internet, and I didn't have any of those.
Mary Freese only had herself and her 2 furry companions to wait out the continuous power and internet outages during the ice storm.
The internet, we apparently rely on it a whole lot more.
Out in Pleasant Hill, the 2 main internet providers are CenturyLink and Spectrum Internet. Like most places with utility lines, trees and gathered ice would bring them down, severing power, phone, and internet access.
Yeah, he replaced this, but whatever he had hooked into here, it just ripped off.
From the ice?
Yeah, the weight of the ice.
So I was out trimming them and I heard a big branch come down on my neighbor's property and I watched it take out their Spectrum cable line.
Rick Eddy and his wife were lucky they didn't have a tree to fall on their nearby utility lines for power and internet. However, they too were not spared from the weeks-long outage.
Yeah, I'm a real estate appraiser, my wife and we work from a home office. So I tend to work at desktops and, with a wire to my router. So that was a huge inconvenience, just, doing everything on our phone or trying to create a hotspot.
Resorting to driving back and forth to family members who had internet service, everything changed when the internet was eventually restored Monday evening.
Looked at the routers, saw that the red light was gone. We had the right colored lights. It's a huge difference. So you feel like things are back to normal.
It's only 4 miles from I-5, but that shouldn't matter with internet or anything else.
Neighbors say Spectrum Internet has a track record of outages and less than stellar internet service. I'll share their frustrations coming up at 5. Reporting in Pleasant Hill, Noah Chavez, KEZI 9 News.